You can expect a lot from the 2021 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.